to homeowners every day, and sometimes the answer is, we just can't afford it today. I do know I need to get it done, I just don't think I can do it now. Well, ignoring warped or cracked siding can really create issues in the long run. If you bought a house that had certainteed siding installed 20 years ago, you might notice there's actual cracks in each lap of siding. Those cracks are showing that your siding is failing. So when it comes time to sell that home, you're going to actually have to replace that siding. If you're looking at your walls and you're thinking, I gotta get this replaced, now is the time to look at getting the siding and windows done on your home. The reason being is, this is the canary in the mine. What is behind the walls? Your exterior siding and windows is your moisture management system to protect the inside from the outside. So if you're already noticing cracks, edge checking, swelling, and water damage, that is a sign that there's more behind the wall. So now is the time to get that inspection. Now is the time to consider replacing your windows and siding. We can do an inspection. We can see if that water damage is indeed the exterior cladding and windows, and we can help you identify if getting new siding and windows is going to resolve this issue.